Hey guys, are you want to buy best USB-C charging cables for MacBook? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best USB-C charging cables for MacBook that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Seynli USB-C Charging Cables. This MacBook charging cable is a reliable and efficient solution for M1 Pro/Max 2021 and M2 2022/2023 MacBook models, supporting 14-inch and 16-inch laptops. With up to 140W power delivery, it ensures fast charging, capable of reaching 50 battery in just 30 minutes when used with a qualified adapter. The magnetic connection provides a secure, hassle-free attachment, preventing accidental disconnections and making it effortless to plug in or remove. Measuring 2 meters, the tangle-free braided design adds durability and flexibility, ideal for both home and office use. The built-in LED indicator keeps you informed of charging status, while integrated safety features protect your MacBook from incompatible adapters. A brief 15 to 20 second delay may occur with certain adapters, but this is normal and does not affect performance. Durable, convenient, and high-performing, this cable is an essential accessory for any MacBook user. Now our second product is Lisen USB-C Charging Cables. The Lisen 240W USB-C to USB-C cable is a high-performance, ultra-safe charging solution for demanding devices like the iPhone 17, iPads, and MacBook Pro M4. Featuring PD3.1 Extended Power Range (EPR) technology, it dynamically delivers the optimal power for each device up to 140W for laptops and 60W for tablets, without overheating or speed loss. Equipped with an eMarker 3.0 chip and dual safeguards, it actively monitors current and voltage over 3.2 million times per second, preventing overloads, short circuits, or battery damage. The upgraded 99.99 oxygen-free copper cores provide stable, low-resistance power delivery and faster 480 megabits per second data sync. Its 48-strand military-grade nylon construction ensures durability, resisting over 40,000 flex cycles in daily wear. Backed by a 72-month warranty and 24/7 support, this cable combines unmatched performance, reliability, and peace of mind, making it a must-have for anyone seeking fast, safe, and long-lasting USB-C charging. Our third product is Anker USB-C Charging Cables. The soft-touch silicone charging cable redefines what a cable can feel like. From the moment you hold it, you'll notice how uniquely smooth and supple it is, making everyday charging and data transfer a truly enjoyable experience. Unlike traditional cables that can feel rigid, rough, or uncomfortable, this cable's silicone finish is gentle on your fingers, providing a luxurious, almost silky sensation while plugging in or unplugging devices. Beyond comfort, the silicone material is highly flexible and resilient, reducing tangles, kinks, and wear over time, which means it can withstand daily use without losing its shape or performance. Its soft exterior also improves grip, making it easier to handle in any environment, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Combining practicality with a premium tactile experience, this cable not only charges your devices efficiently but also adds a touch of sophistication and pleasure to an otherwise mundane task. For anyone seeking comfort, style, and durability in one accessory, this silicone cable is a must-have. Now number 4, Baseus USB-C Charging Cables. The Baseus 140W USB-C charger is a versatile, high-performance solution for fast charging multiple devices. With 2 USB-C ports delivering up to 140W individually, it can charge a MacBook from 0 to 100 in just 97 minutes, or power 2 MacBooks simultaneously at 70W each. Equipped with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it can charge up to 4 devices at once, making it perfect for travel, work, or family use. Compact and portable, the charger is 35 smaller than Apple's 140W adapter and features foldable prongs for easy storage without scratching your bag. Powered by GON technology, it provides low-temperature fast charging with up to 90 efficiency, while automatically monitoring temperature to protect your devices. Broadly compatible with iPhone, iPad, Samsung devices, Switch, MacBooks, drones, and more, this Baseus charger combines speed, safety, and convenience for all your charging needs. And our last choice is MarsDock USB-C Charging Cables. The portable 3-in-1 USB-C charger is a compact and versatile solution for charging multiple devices simultaneously. With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it allows you to power a laptop, phone, and tablet all at once. Despite its small size, 2.1 by 1.9 by 1.5 inches, and lightweight design, 4.2 ounces, it delivers impressive performance, supporting up to 70 W max fast charging on a single USB-C port, charging a MacBook Pro 14-inch from 0 to 50 in just 35 minutes. Intelligent power distribution ensures optimal output when multiple ports are in use, balancing speed and efficiency across devices. Universally compatible with MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, Galaxy phones, Surface devices, Switch, and more, it's perfect for home, office, or travel. Built-in safeguards and a cooling system protect against overcharging, short circuits, overheating, and sparks, making this charger a reliable, safe, and high-performance choice for all your charging needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.